Welcome to another greeting card tutorial. Keep watching to see how to make this cupcake card with rhinestone accents. Shown here and also linked in the description box below are all of the supplies that you'll need to make this card. The first step is to take your pencil and base paper or cardstock and simply draw out the design. I centered the cupcake kind of in the paper on the cardstock. However, an easy way to customize it would be to, of course, change the positioning or even the size of this design on your card. Once you're happy with the design and have it laid out how you wish, all you need to do is switch over to a thin black pen. Here I'm using my favorite Faber-Castell pens, and this is in size S, and simply just trace over all of the pencil lines that you'd previously drawn. I started at the top and I simply just worked my way down until I'd traced over all of the pencil lines. Once I'd everything outlined or traced over with my thin black pen, I simply went in and added the rhinestones. And so I always lay out the rhinestones first where I want them. So I tended to group kind of the rhinestones by color here for this design. However, you could really place them wherever you want and however many you want on your card to customize this to your liking. And then once I had them all laid out and placed where I wanted them, I simply just took some fast drying glue and glued them all on. And once the glue is dry, this cupcake card is complete. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.